today I want to show you how to create a Pinterest graphic with the right keywords to link back to your website. So if you go into Canva, they have Pinterest graphics. You can just click onto there. And then I'm using one of our clients as an example. She has a blog post that just came out. And what we usually do is you pin this image, but then we also create a couple images that are relating back to this blog. So what I always do is look at what the title is, and most people aren't going to be searching for that. So what I may do is come over to Pinterest and then start typing in low carb, and then if you hit enter, these are going to be the top keywords that come up. Okay, so it may be low carb diet, and then it's going to give you for beginners plan before and after. So low carb diet plan is going to be the hottest, and then food list beginners. So what I may do is I may come in here and then look at, let's see. So I may come back to Pinterest and I may say benefits of low carb diet. So that's what I want. That's going to be the key right there. So I'm going to come back over here to my Pinterest and I'm going to do a food graphic. And I'm going to do one of two things. I'm going to find the one that I like the best. And there's free ones and paid ones, so just choose whichever one best fits you. I think I'm going to go ahead and go with this one here. And then I'm going to come to elements, and I'm going to come to, let's see. I may look on low carb foods. I want to make sure that the image goes along, the background image goes along with my text. So you can come into Canva and then do low carb and see what comes up. Now, if you get that specific, it's going to be, you're going to most likely pay for a picture. So I may do like healthy food and then see what comes up. I may swap that out with that. And then one thing to remember is you want to make sure you're using your brand colors. So if you go back to the website and you go onto the homepage, and there's this thing that's called the Color Pick Eyedropper. It's a Google Chrome extension. It's free. And what it allows you to do is copy the color code for any color on a website. So I can make this color here the exact color for her website. So it matches her brand colors. So we want to make sure that that's that one. Perfect. And then I want to come back over to Pinterest and copy my text. And then I may say, and I don't like this text, so I'm going to change it. Benefits of, let's do this. Let's just delete that because I don't like that text at all. And I'm going to, benefits of a low carb diet. And let's make this larger. Now what we want to do, this may be a little bit bigger. Perfect, because then that looks perfect there. And then let's bring that up here. Last thing, we want to make sure we have her logo. So you can go here, save image as logo, come into Pinterest, or excuse me, come into Canva, upload, and then we want to put that right here, okay? So here are benefits of a low-carb diet with the logo, the branded colors, and then when you pin this to Pinterest, then it will link back to this blog. Let's just do another one just so we're all on the same page. So you can do one of two things. You can copy this page and do the exact same one, or you can just click new page. It's going to leave the same image in there, but you can choose a different template. So let's say we want to do one for this blog here. And this, so holistic health, busy women. Let's see what comes up for that. So nothing comes up with that. Nobody is searching that. So let's go to holistic health women, holistic health beginners, and then natural remedies, tips. So this one we may want to say, this one we may want to do tips for living a holistic, tips for holistic health. So let's do this. So on this one, because there's so much, I may actually take this text and then come into here and let's do this pin or that picture and then come into elements and let's just type in holistic and see what pictures come up. Sometimes this is the part that takes the longest. It's just finding the perfect image. Let me see what images are. So I actually would use this image as the background. So come back to Pinterest and then upload. And then here, I may say, again, we're going to change this to the our own text. And obviously making it bigger. So let's change this up to 28. See if we can get it to 32. And we can do tips for holistic health. See if we can get it to maybe 36 if it will fit in here. So what we can do here is we can actually bring that picture up and then bring this up here. And because you're on the same image, you can change this to the pink from the one above. And then here I would come back to the uploads, bring in this picture here and double click on it. And then I would bring in the Life with a Kiss logo. Oops, if we can, like up to here, okay? So then now we have, and it does look like a lot of text, but that's good for Pinterest because it's tips for holistic health. And we can do, what does holistic health look like for the busy girl on the go? Plus, let's just do, oops. We can do, let's do, take out the plus and then do, maybe make this bold. And maybe we want to bring this down to the next line and then bring this up a tad bit like that. And you can adjust the spacing too. So if I like that, but I just want the lines to be a little bit closer together so it fits in perfectly, there we go. So now we have 2 images for 2 different blogs with the branded colors and the logo. So this is a perfect way to create branded Pinterest images that will link back to certain blogs on your website. If you have questions, let us know.